When you really look at interior design, you live your life in it. Every day you go into work or you go into your home, and your environment really affects how you function, how you feel.
Interior design is such a big part of our environment and daily life that you don't realize, like the lighting and how warm you are.
I guess what we do as interior designers is to focus on the human aspect and how they feel inside the interior.
Interior designers bring that fun creativity to these buildings, making spaces that work for everyone.
It's a human-centric design and based around every single thing we do. Being a student in our program is a very immersive experience. It's very small class sizes, so my interior design class is 30 people, and you get to know everyone very well.
Studio feels like a family, and we all love coming there and working late and spending time with each other.
And you get to pick off of each other little things that you've learned or that they've learned, and we get to choose the best out of one another and all grow as a whole.
Collaborative work, moving around all through the desks areas, working with classmates, trying to figure out solutions to all your design problems.
Get ideas and inspiration from each other, and it makes us all have some really interesting designs.
We all want to make the best of it, and so we're all pushing each other to be the best that we can be for designers.
And the professors just really care about your work and care that you succeed.
Faculty here is honestly really great.
They're all really friendly and energetic. Then they do their best to make it a great learning environment.
This major is almost 90% project-based. I very rarely have to take a test, and I feel like I learn the material better this way because I'm physically doing it. It's not just I watch a bunch of lectures and I go take the test and then I forget it all.
So it allows us to really get that hands-on, quick knowledge and learning.
I'm doing real-life projects, working through things that could actually happen. So I'm thinking more critically, and I'm becoming a better designer because I'm not just taking things out of a book and putting on a piece of paper and calling it a day.
I think my favorite part of the interior design is definitely the realism that we get to experience. We're constantly working with our actual materials, like we have a material library here.
It is a very large materials lab, one of the largest for a university. There's different rooms that are full of all the materials that you could think of, from woods to stones to tiles, different fabrics and carpets.
That's one of the great things about WSU is they go to make sure that you get that actual experience instead of just learning in a classroom.
The opportunities that especially WSU has, I think it's one of the better schools to go for interior design.
Employers love that you go to WSU because they know how strong of a program it is here, and just that confidence of knowing you made the right decision and that you're actually learning stuff you're going to use in the future.